Hello everyone, let us learn question number 22 of exercise 6.5. Here a wire of length 28 meter is to be cut into two pieces. One of the pieces is to be made into a square and other into a circle. What should be the length of the two pieces so that combined area of a square and circle is minimum? Which means we made there is the total length of the wire. Total length of the wire is 28 meter, and through this wire we made one square and one circle. So obviously the length of the perimeter of the square plus circumference of a circle will be equal to 28. So let's we will assume that the length of a side of a square be x. So it will be 4x, perimeter will be 4x, and the circumference, radius of the circumference, it will take radius r. So 2 pi r will be the circumference of a circle. So their sum will be equal to 28. Means 4x plus 2 pi r equal to 28. So let us assume, let the length of the square side of a square and radius of a circle be x and r respectively. So circumference we can write perimeter of a circle, perimeter of square equal to 4 into x, because side is x, and circumference of a circle will be 2 pi r. So their sum 4x plus 2 pi r equal to 28. This will be equation 1. Okay, now you can find either value of x or r from this equation, so that the next equation we will make, here it is r, that the area of a square plus area of a circle is, the combined area of square and combined circle will be less minimum. Okay, so what will be the length of both the pieces, so that the combined area of both circle and square will be minimum? For that we require the square and area of square and circle. Okay, so first we will find from here the value of x, either x or r. Which one we will find? R. Okay, r equal to what you get? 28 minus 4x upon this will be 2 pi. So 2 will take common, it will be r equal to 2 will take common and we will cancel with this. So it will be 14 minus 2x upon pi. This will be value of r. This will be equation 2, suppose. Now we will find the area of both. Area of a circle or square, area of a square be x square. Side is x, so it will be side square, means x square. And area of a circle equal to what? Pi r square. So area, combined area, therefore combined area equal to we can write x square plus pi r square. Differentiate with respect to, now first we will substitute the value of r here. So a equal to what you get? X square plus pi into r is 14 minus 2x upon pi, and it is square, so we write square. Okay, so a equal to, you can write x square plus, from here we can take 2 and pi is downside, so you can write pi into, we'll take 2 common, and in the denominator pi is given, so you can write 2 upon pi whole square into 2 common from here, so it will be 7 minus x. Why we write square? Because it is already square, so the whatever we will take common, that will be also in square form. So it will become a 2 2s are 4 and pi square. So this will be pi and square will be cancelled, which means you got this finally. A equal to x square plus 4 upon pi 7 minus x whole square. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. So dA upon dx equal to 2x plus 4 upon pi. This will be 2 times 7 minus x, and derivative of this bracket will be, derivative of 7 will be 0 and derivative of minus x will be minus 1, which means you got dA upon dx equal to 2x plus this 4 2s are 8 upon pi, and plus 0 minus 1 it will be minus 1, means minus 1 into plus it will be negative. So what you got here, 8 upon pi, this will be 7 minus x, because we multiply by minus 1. Now we will find the second order derivative also. So d square a upon dx square equal to 2 we will get from here, minus 8 upon pi is constant, and we will find the derivative of this, so it will be 0 and it will be minus 1, which means we will get d square a upon dx square equal to, we got minus minus it will become plus, means 2 plus 8 upon pi. So now 2 is constant, 8 is also constant, and even pi value will be also constant, positive. 2 is positive, 8 is also positive, as well as pi value will also be positive, which means 2 plus 8 upon pi will be positive, which means we can write d square a upon dx square will be positive for any value of x, okay. So now we will find the value of x. So dA upon dx we will write here 0, dA upon dx equal to 0. Okay, so if dA upon dx we will write 0, so you will get here 2x plus 4 to the 8, we got this, no? 2x minus 8 upon pi 7 minus x equal to 0. We can multiply inside, it will be 2x minus x 7 56 upon pi minus it will become plus 8x upon pi equal to 0. Okay, so this both are x values, so you can take x common. So x 2 plus 8 upon pi equal to 56 upon pi. We can take LCM here, x 2 pi plus 8 upon pi equal to 56 upon pi. So pi will be cancelled. You can shift this value. So x will be x equal to 56 upon 2 pi plus 8. 2 pi plus 6. X we can take common from upside and down, from downside, from the denominator. So it will be 56 upon 2 bracket of pi plus 4. So 28 means x value will be 28 upon pi plus 4. So for x equal to 28 plus pi by 4, this area will be minimum. Why? Because you got the second order derivative positive. So x you got this. So y we can find. Y will be what? If you want to substitute value in equation 2, from equation 2, x is this. Okay. So but the length of the wire it is required. So length of a wire means, for making the square it is 4x. So length of a wire required for making square will be 4x, which means 4 into 28 upon x plus, sorry, pi plus 4. So it will be 4 is a 32 to carry over 3, 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11, means 112 upon x plus 4 meter. And another will be, we can subtract from 28. So another length will be, another piece of wire will be 28 minus 112 upon x plus 4, which means you can take LCM. It will be what? 28 bracket of x plus 4 minus 112 upon x plus 4. So 28x plus 4 is a 32 to carry over 3, 4 to the 8 plus 3, 112 minus 112 upon x plus 4, which means plus and minus will be cancelled. So 28x upon x plus 4. Another piece which will be required for making the square will be 28 upon x plus 28x upon x plus 4. So if the length of the wire we will cut by with this length of this length, so the area, combined area of the square and the circle will be minimum.